doing here? What is she doing?
Let's see about rebuilding this master cylinder.
Alright.
If we can. It's pretty rusty. I'm not too happy about this.
I think it's gonna be a problem with most of this.
Yeah. Let me...
Spider webs here.
Yeah. Let me get some different tools, buddy.
Alright.
Like it's all gonna be wrenches.
All gonna be wrenches.
Yeah. Metric.
Metric.
Alright.
Oh no. Well, it was made in Canada.
Yeah, it was built in Canada. Alright. Let me get some different wrenches.
Some metric ones.
Let's look at that.
Now get a good look at it.
Huh?
Now get a good look at it.
Yeah. Hopefully.
So,
I'll turn the whole thing. Ah, that ain't good.
oh.
Well, looks like we're gonna undo it here and undo it here.
We need something to break up the rust.
Let me get more tools.
Alright. Get even more.
Well, we know we can get this one loose, but we can't do anything till we get the other one loose. So let's tighten this up before we lose oil everywhere. So how are we going to get that loose? I really don't want to put all new brake lines on this.
Already expensive enough.
Yeah.
There we go. PB Blaster time.
What fucking size is it?
It's moving?
No. I don't know what size it is. It ain't metric, it ain't standard.
Custom. Custom size aluminum.
Let's see if I can get in here.
Oh. All that rust changed the size of it.
Maybe. Cooking now.
You seem to be.
And we gotta take that pin out. Oh, it's maybe both. Yeah, see that was leaking.
Oh.
Don't be jiggling around too much. You gotta try to keep it steady. Yeah, you can see there's a snap ring in there. We gotta get that snap ring out so we can take these internals out.
Alright.
Try to keep it steady. Put a little pressure on this, and what that does is keeps the pressure off that snap ring, so you can take that snap ring out easier.
Okay.
And then see, it should just pop right out.
Alright.
There's all kinds of trash in there.
Mm.
It's not bad, it's just gunky.
Just gunky.
Yeah, can you see in there?
A little bit.
So, we'll clean this up, get all the oil off of it. We'll ball hone this real quick,
Okay.
just to get that little bit of rust out. And then we'll clean it with brake clean, carburetor cleaner, get all the oil off. We'll tape it up, tape up the ID, and we'll prime it and paint it before we put it back on and put that rebuild kit in.
Alright. Sounds like a pretty good plan.
Sounds like a good stopping point
Yeah.
for the camera. We can do all that off camera.
Yeah. Try to keep it in like, I don't know, 20 minutes. Long.
Well, no, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and clean this up and get it all painted, and then tomorrow hopefully we can put it back together, put it in there, and we can combine these two into one video. Hey guys, sorry it's been a while. Texas weather's been over 100 degrees. It's too hot to get out here and work, do anything. I want to get this video over with so we can get back to our other projects, which is the motorcycles. So I'm going to show y'all how I put the master cylinder back together on this, but I'm not going to show y'all how to put it back on the truck. It's the same as the first part of the video, only reverse. Alright, so we're going to get some, you can see I've already got it painted, cleaned most of the rust up. Got my .3 brake fluid, rebuild kit. So, gotta pop this O valve off the bottom of the spring. It'll no longer be used. Kit comes with a new one. If I can get it off. There it goes. valve. Put it in, it goes in. Have a little plunger that goes on top. We're going to put a little brake fluid on that. It helps kind of lubricate it. Just get some on your finger. And just kind of wipe it around. It goes with the cup side down. Like that. Yeah, your new plunger, same thing, put some brake fluid on that. And this goes with the rubber side up. Okay. Got a new snap ring that holds this all in. Now these got a sharp edge and a rounded edge. Because the pressure is going to be going this way, that's the side I like to put the sharp edge on. I like to put the sharp edge against the side that the pressure is. Put the rounded side in, it has a tendency to pop out sometimes, especially if the master cylinder or whatever the snap ring's going in is wore out. So we'll take the plunger that holds all this together, and we're going to put it on there with the sharp side up. Okay, put that in here, push it down, get it in there. Take the pliers, and there you go. Put our boot back on. Now we can put this back in the truck. We'll put a new, when we put the pin in, we'll put a new cotter pin in. I always use a new cotter pin. And we'll be able to pump it up. I'll take it to a buddy's house who's got a lift we can put it on, so we can actually bleed the brakes. I need to go through and adjust the valves, carburetor, probably needs a new carburetor. But I just wanted to get this done, show y'all, because we got a ton of motorcycles in here to work on, and that's the whole point of this channel. If y'all got any questions or anything, hit me up in the comments. I'll answer them the best I can. Until then, get something to work on, have fun. Peace.